it going? I'm here at TLU campus, you know, just sitting in the grass and such. I got a little movie action for you. It's about nature, you know. You sit inside all day playing that dang Fortnite, Netflixing, just binge watching things. You never really think about, hey, going outside and there's a car coming, so give me a second. 1 second. Car is passing. Car is gone. People don't think to go outside and enjoy nature. You know, this is the original playground. You know what I'm saying? When I was a kid, all I did stuff outside all the time. Even though I get sunburned like crazy. But yeah, it's fun, and this is a little insight on what kind of nature we have going on around here that you're missing out on. So go outside, dude. And watch this video inside first. Oh. You walk around TLU and you think, you know, it's not the zoo. You're not gonna see some crazy, cool animals. But I mean, we got some wildlife. There's some beautiful trees. There's trees all about campus. Squirrels are very prominent. I've been seeing a lot of crows lately. One of my favorite birds. There's bugs all the time. You know, you just check out a squirrel, talk to him. What's up? But as I'm walking right now, I realize I don't see a dang squirrel out here. But I will show you other places with other animals. We'll check out the river, some parks around the area. And yeah, you can see the wildlife in Seguin and the surrounding areas, I guess. What's up, dude? We're in downtown Seguin-ish. We're a little off. It's by the Catholic school. I found it one time randomly, just walking around. And then I came upon this bridge, and there's a creek, and it's like I'm pretty sure it's a park, but who knows, dude? You know what I mean? But if you look down here, you're gonna take a peek. Dang, this thing is hot, dude. Take a peek. There's a little creek there. Nice. And if we go to the other side over here, if you will follow me this way. Right down here we got another dang creek. and it's the other side. It's not too pretty. If you'll come this way, look at the little park. It's so dang hot outside right now that I'm melting. But some would say this is a good day. You know what I'm saying? Some would say this is a great day to be outside, but I would say I'm gonna get sunburned. There's picnic tables here. We're gonna have some kind of lunch brunch with family members, loved ones. Maybe Jenny from back in high school. She'll come out here and do something. Do a little sonic. Hear that, dude? Hear the birds just chirping away? Just better than any Nirvana album I've ever heard. I'd rather listen to birds all day. Fresh cut grass. Somebody obviously comes out here and pushed it up. Looking great. Sweet green. Alright, bird, chill. Park a bike, go to the left or the right. Here we go, get a little view of this. We got all this, we got a stump here, near the creek. Freaking family jogging guy. That's jogging away. Hey, bro. Yeah, here, chill spot. It's where I was, there people over there? There people over there? Yeah. Oh, come on here. Just relax. Keep the shades off. Just listen to the stream. Really takes the load off of all the homework. You know, that stress you just been building up. Sit right here, look at this. Listen to this. Smell this. It kind of smells like poop right now, but some people would say that's a great smell. Come on, get a little closer, dude. Come over here.
What if I fall?
Okay, just get over here, dude. Yeah, there's totally people over there. You good now?
Yeah.
Yeah, just get a little quick. Just get a dang gander. Just slowly pan. Yeah, you know what to do, Karen, woman.
I think you should touch the water.
Touch it?
Yeah. You know like how Zac Efron did it in the movie?
I think he's get in there.
Oh, you're gonna get in?
Yeah.
Nature, man.
Oh gosh. Oh, that's freezing. This is it. This is the spot right here. It's my favorite spot. You don't have to go to a zoo. Spend like $80. Look at some dang flamingos. Come out here, look at some small birds. Actually, my feet are wet. I didn't think that part out. I'll just carry them.
Okay.
The Kamal River. Me and my friends, we've been up there a few times. This is actually not a recording from one of the times we went up there. I actually had a friend, Jennifer Rodriguez, aka Jenna, just shoot me a few shots up there while she was tubing around. She got some nice shots. There's some ducks right there. Not exactly sure what kind of ducks. Maybe I'll put the text up there when I look it up later. But yeah, there's always some ducks. There's some deer usually on the sides. But the ducks will get in the water and like float around you sometimes. There's a shirtless man back there, but don't pay attention to that guy because we're looking at the ducks. It's another, looks to be a duck. Yeah, I believe that's another duck over there. Here's another, Kamal River picture. It's my dad and his dog fishing. This is actually a video from my house in Scurry, Texas, of my 2 dogs who know how to fetch in the water. That one's very lazy, as you heard, because Bacon,
Come on,
which is the brown one, and the black one's name is Bella. Bacon decided he was going to do the work and he was going to go get the stick, so shout out to him. He's a pretty good dog. He throws up in the house sometimes randomly, but other than that, you know, he's a good dog.
Lazy.
Lazy.
Dude.
This is them when they were cute and didn't barf in the house.